Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I doing today? Well, actually not a whole lot. Shop's a little slow today, but here I am at my job, Milex, Mr. Transmission. We're in Durham, North Carolina. And so I figured I'd give you a walk around the shop, show you what's going on here. So this is actually the outside here, obviously. But here's our lot that leads in to the shop. Everybody's on lunch right now. So it's a nice big 6-bay shop. Here is the front of said shop. Smile, you're on camera. So we got a nice comfortable waiting area here. You can go walk through. Rob is usually sitting there. I don't know where he is. That's another entrance to the shop. Oh, there's Rob. Hey, Rob. There's Kirk. Hey, Kirk. So our little area here. And this is the inside of the shop. There's Rob's track car. He does road racing. Pretty cool, right? Nice thing about the shop is it's air conditioned, because it is hot. Let me tell you what. As the name implies, Mr. Transmission, we also do transmission work. I don't do transmission work, but the shop does. There's our cleaning stuff. Here's my stuff. As you can see, I'm still organizing stuff, so excuse the mess. I'm working on that Jeep right now. I have nothing in this bay. Here's my other box that I told you I bought. Some engine stuff got going on. There's Kirk stuff. Some engine stuff. Here's a V10 Triton motor. Here you got yourself a turbo Honda setup. Like for a Civic or maybe an Integra or something. Maybe, I have no idea. I'm not a Honda guy. I don't really know. There's Pablo. Say hi, Pablo.
Hey guys.
Pablo is an awesome tech. I will say that. And here's Pablo's area. He kind of owns the corner of the shop because he does a lot of the bigger work. So anyway, that's kind of it. Just wanted to show you what we got going on here. Here's an interesting thing. When's the last time you seen one of these for the older guys? Carburetor synchronizer. Anyway, that's it. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's going on, what I got going on. I know some of you have asked, so I figured I'd show you. All right. So that's about it. I got an epic fail video of mine coming up soon for my daughter's Kia or Hyundai, whatever the heck that thing is. Hyundai Santa Fe. And that should be coming up soon. All right, guys, so that's about it for right now. If you're getting something out of the videos, hit the like button. If you can, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.